Okay, we're gonna make a recording of the sanitary line from the outside clean out of the home going towards the main city sewer. Our location today is 931 Emerald Green Court, Kissimmee, Florida 34746. The customer is Mila Realty and the contact is Olga Volkov. Alright, previous recording was made of this sanitary line, but we're going to determine exactly what's going on. There seemed to be water holding in the last video. As you can see, I'm between the two houses, and there is a secondary clean out a little farther down the line. Alright, I'm going to see if it connects from point A to point B on this clean out to that clean out. And we're going to make two recordings. We're going to do from here to that clean out. And then if that's the identifying clean out that runs to this line, we're going to also make a recording from there going out to the street. Okay, right now I'm going to go down the line and then I'm going to zero out my camera so this way we can get an accurate measurement from the clean out to the source of the problem. Alright, at this point I've zeroed out my camera and we're going to go start investigating the line. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a second right here. I want to take a look down that clean out to see if I see the tip of my camera, and then we'll proceed on from there. Okay, it seems like they might have two different lines going down. but this does not pick up the clean out that's in front of the property. I'm going to mark out this area right here where the water is holding at this point, and then we'll continue on forward and I'll mark out that spot as well. Okay, at this point I located this particular area, and it does seem to be going right in front of the property clean out. I'm gonna push a little forward. I don't really see much light. coming down from it, but then again, this part is underwater. We're going to continue going forward until I could see where we're outside of this belly or back pitch. Okay, once again, now I'm out of underneath the water. I'm gonna mark off this spot, and then we'll continue investigating.